Welcome to this week's vlog. It is Thanksgiving weekend and I'm going to attempt making turkey for the first time. I'm going to try to jerk it. We'll see how that goes. But I also wanted to say something to them. I realized that 2013 was a decade ago. A decade ago, 2013. Anyway, I don't have any video. I'm going to get some, but then I'm going to clean up the turkey and put it in the Reid. So we'll see how that goes.
Her alarm goes off and she gets up to watch the morning news. Doesn't work no more but tells a lot of stories about her youth. Drinks more lately, ain't got pills in many different colors too. Morning light is showing, she moves the chair to look out at her view. But her shop was built right across the street, and it stands by the sunrise he used to be. In the afternoons on the couch to read, goes through old pictures and memories. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so they got old. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so they got old. Our heroes so they got old.
So, started my prep yesterday, Saturday. I have a bit more to do today. I have a bit more to do today to make sure that I'm not spending all day tomorrow in the kitchen and that the day goes smoothly. You okay? Yeah. So that's where I'm at with this. I mean, honestly, this feels like the big anti-den something. I don't know why I'm in the midst of it. There's one other thing that I'm uncertain about that I'm going to try, and it's a plum sauce. Like, I don't know if it's gonna taste good, I don't know if it's gonna taste bad, I don't know if it's gonna taste ugly. But I wanted to make cranberry sauce, but I couldn't get fresh or fruit and cranberries. I had some dried ones, but the recipes don't say fresh or frozen, and I haven't been able to source any of those. I don't know if it's because it's Thanksgiving weekend and I'm just not looking, or that them hard to get. I don't know, but the point is I cannot find any. So I've decided to try plush. No, yeah, but I gotta pause to make some stuff for these people to eat. And I mean, it's a little rough because it'll be Thanksgiving tomorrow, and then by the end of the week, babe, I see your birthday. So, you know, it's a bit of a weird place to be in. But yeah, that's what I'm up to.
I just hope their stories will still be told. Her alarm goes off and she gets up to watch the morning news. Doesn't work no more, but tells a lot of stories about her youth. Drinks more lately, ain't got pills in many different colors too. Morning light is showing, she moves the chair to look out at her view. But her shop was built right across the street, and it stands by the sunrise used to be. In the afternoons on the couch to read, goes through old pictures and memories. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so they got old. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so they got old. Our heroes so they got old. Our heroes so they got old. Smiles they fade because her daughter only visits once a month. Since she got a family of her own, it's kept the two apart. Used to have so many visitors, but now the only one is the nurse that helps her move the chair to look out at the sun. But her shop was built right across the street, and it stands where the sunrise used to be. In the afternoons on the couch to read, goes through old pictures and memories. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so they got old. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so they got old.
You can't pick.
Pick what?
I don't know. If I knew, I would tell you.
If I knew, I would tell you.
What do you feel like?
I don't feel like anything.
Feel like a burger?
Not really.
Would you eat a burger?
Not really.
You can't. What would you eat then?
I don't have an appetite right now.
I understand, but you still have to eat.
Okay. But I don't have an appetite right now, so we can't answer your question.
So if we go to the burger place, you're not gonna eat the burger?
Go on the burger, please.
No. But it seems burger easy to say. Day off, we're hanging out and arguing about food. I mean, like I said, we're not angry, but that probably passes as arguing for us. So today, what we're going to do is we're going to get some things so that I can surprise the little miss on her birthday in a few weeks. But today is the only day that I can go do these things when she's not around. she's not gonna see. So I still want to be able to surprise her and things like that. I can't do that if she did it. I see and whatever. So I'm trying my best to do as much of it as I can today. There are some things on Amazon I want to order. I'm gonna go try all of them. So you have to hide them and then come and make sure all up in the package. Okay.
She knows not to trouble anybody.
Yes, but she knows not to trouble it, but she's gonna try and be present when you're opening.
No.
That's not been my experience.
That's because your experience is opening packages with her. She needs to know boundaries and teach her boundaries.
Oh, no, I have no problem for opening packages.
And that's fine. When you tell her you cannot open this package because it's not yours, that is a boundary that she must respect.
Okay. So that's what we're going to do today on this Friday. But before that, we're going to get food and then run around town. So if I remember, I will vlog some of it. If not, happy Friday.
People don't stay the same, you know. I just hope their stories will still be told.